Hi everyone, my name is Michael Teske and welcome to my course, Assessing and Planning Microsoft Azure Migration. I'm an author evangelist here at Pluralsight. There's a shift happening today as we look at the data center landscape. Today's enterprise is evolving at a rapid pace. More than ever, companies are reimagining their data centers and leveraging the cloud's durability as well as scalability while driving down capital expenditures. This course is focused on assessing your on-premises environment and determining what workloads, whether it's virtual machines or databases, are ready to make the move. And if not, what can you do to improve their Azure readiness while reducing downtime during the migration? Now, some of the major topics that we will cover include, well, you can't get the job done without the right tools. I'll introduce you to the resources and tools to get your assessment completed with high confidence. Next, we'll leverage the Azure Migrate service while creating a project which will provide you with a one-stop shop for all things migration, starting out with your initial workload discovery and assessments while identifying any workload dependencies which cannot be overlooked. And then finally, we'll assess your SQL instances and identify the readiness for Azure as well. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently identify your on-premises workloads and databases that are Azure ready or almost ready, while also gaining an understanding of what your operational expenses may look like, providing you with up-to-date information, enabling you to make the right decision for your company. Before beginning this course, you should have a general familiarity with the public cloud infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, as well as an intermediate understanding of managing on-premises VMs along with VMware vCenter. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to assess your workloads with the Assessing and Planning Microsoft Azure Migration course here at Pluralsight.